Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this really beautiful Tunisian smock stitch. I really like this stitch so much. It's easy to make and looks so lovely. Actually, it's a knit stitch also, and we call this in Turkey işkembe. I don't know if you ever heard this word. It's actually also a soap name, traditional soap. And if you think about coming Turkey one day and someone told you, do you want to try işkembe? Please say no, okay? Say no and trust me. Don't try it. When someone foreign come to our country, we always want to make her or him try something, but we don't even we don't even eat it. Okay, so don't try. Just a few people likes to eat this kind of thing like işkembe or cockroach. Maybe cockroach. Maybe we eat cockroach more than işkembe or mumbar more than mumbar. Don't try them, okay? Maybe cockroach you can try it. So I want to cut it short if I can. So I will show you this one and I will use this yarn. It's Kartopu Pure Viscose. It's some kind, look like a t-shirt yarn, but it's not. And I will use this crochet hook. It's 5.5 or 6. I'm not sure about it, but you can use t-shirt yarns, soft paper yarn, and cotton yarns if you want. Please use a bigger crochet hook. If you are a new beginner, use a big crochet hook to make it easily. If you are ready, we can start. I will start with slip knots and chains. It could be too hard to work with this. I will try, but we'll see. I'll make chains. It's not important how many chains you have, but it must be an even number. Let me see. I made 14 chains. Okay. Just turn my chains like that. If you are not familiar with Tunisian crochet, please look here. I'll make a video about basic stitches. It will help you. But I will try to make this one beginner friendly also. But please look this video too. We will make our, we will take loops now, but we will take them from this back loops, okay? Because I want to make it like that. You see? That look good. Skip that first one because this is our first loop. And don't leave this first loop very loosey, okay? It will look bad this way. Insert my hook into that second loop from the hook, yarn over and pull it. 2, 3, with this it's 4, I will insert my hook into all the loops and take a loop. I'm not making this Tunisian crochet all the time, so I don't have a good Tunisian hook or some stuff like that, but that will work just for a video. I think I take my loops, you see. Now yarn over and pull it through from first loop, or we can say last loop. Just one, okay? We will always make this one like that. And for this left ones, yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. Yarn over and pull it through from both loops, 2 loops. We will just turn back like that. Yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops. And that's our first row. Now we will make this, we will start to make this stitch. For a simple Tunisian stitch, we will insert our hook from here, okay? Take the yarn like that and pull it. That's a simple stitch. We will make a different way of a simple stitch, but first we will make a yarn over like that, not like that, okay? From front to back. We will take this like that and put your finger here and insert your hook from this stitch and also this stitch, these 2 stitches. Put your finger here, insert your hook into that first and second stitch. Yarn over and pull it through from both stitches, okay? Yarn over again, insert your hook into that 2 stitches, yarn over and pull it. We will make this again and again. Yarn over, insert your hook into that 2 stitches, pull it through, yarn over, that was the last one. As you see, if you remember, we start with yarn over and we will finish with yarn over, okay? Take the yarn like that and insert your hook here. Take these 2 loops, okay? Yarn over and pull it through. Now Now I have 15 loops, and that's okay. We will turn back now, yarn over and pull it through from first loop, yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops, and 2 loops, 2 loops. Just turn back like that. You see we have a yarn over here, pull it through from 2 loops, and we lose this stitch. You can't see this stitch. Okay, so we skip this one. Don't count this one. And we will not start with yarn over now. If we say this one row 1 and that's row 2, we will always repeat this row 1 and 2. Okay, now we will start like that. You see we have 2 legs here and 2 legs. We will take these 2 legs together now. Not these 2, these 2. Okay. Insert my hook into that first one, only that first one. Yarn over and take a loop. Yarn over and put a finger here. Take this loop and this loop. Yarn over and pull it through from both loops. Yarn over again. It is a little hard to see this leg here. When you make this one, you can see it. Okay? Just take it like that. Insert your hook here and here. Just keep going like that. Yarn over again, and there is one left. I will take this 1, 2, and do not make yarn over here. Insert your hook here. Take a loop. I have 15 loops again. We will turn back with the same way. And now we will repeat this first row. But you know, we have more stitches than we start. So we can skip this first one. Okay? Skip this first one. Yarn over. Insert my hook into that next 2 and take a yarn. And make a loop, yarn over again, take these 2 loops, yarn over. You see that one and that one. Take these 2 together and keep making. That's the last one. Don't forget to yarn over and take a loop here and turn back. You see, we couldn't see this stitch again, that yarn over stitch, and we will start to make row 2, repeat row 2, we will start to take this first loop and then yarn over and take these 2 loops. 2 loops, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over. Okay. And when I came to the end, there is 1 left stitch. I'll make it now and take a loop here and turn back. I finished this row 2 and I want to show you how to bind off it. I will use this crochet hook now. I will make slip stitch for close this stitch. Insert my hook into that first leg, take the yarn like that and make a slip stitch. And you see, insert my hook from here, take the yarn and pull it through from this loop too. I'll just take all the loops or legs like that and make a slip stitch. And that's this one. At the end we will make the same thing. And that's it. I hope you like it. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Students Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there too. And I will wait for your comments. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a lovely day.